Drug company promotion to health professionals is endemic in Australia. We have conducted a world-first analysis that shows just how pervasive this commercial influence is throughout everyday clinical practice. Our research shows that sponsoring events for healthcare professionals is a common promotional strategy of the pharmaceutical industry. We found that over 116,000 events for health professionals were sponsored in Australia. That's about 600 events per week. Although labeled as educational events, most of these events included food and beverages as part of the package. This ranged from sushi and sandwiches to lavish 4-course meals. Medicines Australia, which is the peak body for prescription drug companies in Australia, has previously required its members to report the content and cost of all events sponsored in Australia. In over 75,000 events, food was the only type of sponsorship provided. The new rules require that companies report payments to individual physicians, but all of the previous information we had on individual events will now become hidden. The Evidence Policy and Influence Collaborative has created an open access analyzable database from the 4 years of data from Medicines Australia on the sponsorship of educational events for health professionals in Australia. In this database, you can see all of the information on events that have been sponsored for healthcare professionals in Australia and why they have been sponsored. This database will help you identify the extent and nature of industry-sponsored activities for health professionals in your area.